May 23rd, about 6,000 foot, about 7-8 inches of new snow. Kind of nice if I was skiing instead of working. Sarah's loving it though. She likes the snow. Whew. Man, tell you about got stuck getting to work May 23rd. Crazy. Oh. 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 Oh, there's one there, Sarah. No, don't take it. Get this one. Come on, get this one. Yeah! Whew. Something about the snow makes her crazy. Makes her crazy. Oh man. Hey, she's pretending it's a squirrel since the squirrels are all hibernating today. Get that stick. Get that honking stick. That's a bad stick. Oh yeah, baby. Oh God. She's still a pup. 3 years old, still a pup. Old enough to vote, Sarah. You're 21, man. You should grow up. Whew. Man, I'm up laying out planting units. I think the planters are out of work for a while, man. It's good because they were chasing me. Okay, let's go, Sarah. Come on. Come on, you goofy dog. Let's go. Come on. Whew.